Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the RSI Signal Indicator for MT4. This tool builds on the standard RSI by adding visual buy/sell cues and alerts, helping you interpret RSI behavior more clearly without constantly reading the raw oscillator line. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the RSI signal indicator typically plots visual markers directly on the price charts when specific RSI conditions are met, such as crosses of overbought or oversold thresholds. Instead of only watching a line oscillate between 0 and 100, you see buy and sell visual markers appear directly on the charts when RSI behavior matches the built-in logic, visually highlighting potential opportunity zones. Some versions also color RSI or price elements when divergence, threshold crosses, or other conditions occur, implying a possible shift in momentum or a change in market phase. These added visuals are meant to reduce ambiguity in interpreting RSI and provide clearer cues without guaranteeing outcomes. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. So we have the RSI period, overbought and oversold levels. Here we have it at 75 and 25. And then we have the option to set sound alerts for when new visual cues are generated. All right. As for who is for and its limitations, the RSI signal indicator is suited to traders who like RSI but want more explicit on-chart guidance in the form of visual cues and alerts, including both newer traders and experienced traders seeking clearer confirmations. It is an analytical aid only and does not execute trades. Signals can still be false or lagging because they are based on historical prices, especially in volatile or choppy markets. Over-customizing settings or relying on RSI signals alone without considering trend, structure, and news can reduce effectiveness. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full overview on the RSI signal indicator, including its features, applications, and limitations at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.